Hello, today I want to talk about waxing. Waxing is one of the things that you have to do it all the time, especially now in the summertime. And I found a brand that has really great products, and now I'm gonna share with you. Easiest way to do waxing at home for yourself by yourself using Gigi products. So I have here this 41 package. It's like before and after products that you have to use before and after waxing. This is all-purpose honey microbial hair removal wax, and the other one is Brazilian bikini wax. Other products is numbing spray and some strips on different size and applicators in different size as well. Pre-wax cleanser. It's really good if you apply it before you wax your skin or face. The other product is the wax off. It's a wax remover for the skin. This is the post wax cooling gel. It's skin freshener. This is amazing because you can apply to your skin and calm down after waxing. The slow grow with argan oil is a hair minimizer. It helps you to don't grow the hair very fast. Okay, this is a Brazilian bikini wax. It's microbial hair removal wax. You're gonna just put on microbial and you're gonna apply it to your skin when you have hair to wax, so you don't need strips for this one. It's a really cool, and I'm gonna show you now here. And you're gonna need strips and applicators to wax yourself using this product. So you're gonna apply with this in your skin, and then you're gonna use the applicators to take off the hair. Minutes and not spending that much money. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video and subscribe down here if you want to see more videos.